Now, dear friends, when we talk about the first portion of India physical features, that is Himalaya mountain. Then this portions from here, all these portions that is called Great Himalaya Range. When we talk about the total length of this range, then this is 2400 kilometer. This is 2400 kilometer total length when we talk about. And when we talk about the breadth of this range, then it is 400 kilometer in Kashmir. In Kashmir region, the breadth of this that is 400 kilometer. And in Arunachal Pradesh, the breadth of this area, this mountain range is 150 kilometer. Means on this area, this is 150 kilometer. Now, dear students, when we divide the length of Himalaya, then firstly, Punjab Himalaya. From here, that is called Punjab Himalaya. When we talk about the length of this region, that is 560 kilometer. The length of Punjab Himalaya, that is 560 kilometer. It is the area between Indus River to Satluj River. Then after next, that is Kumayu Himalaya. Kumayu Himalaya, this area that is called Kumayu Himalaya. And when we talk about the length of this area, that is 320 kilometer. The length of this area, that is 320 kilometer. And when we talk about the region of Kumayu Himalaya, then between Satluj River to Kali River. Next area, that is Nepal Himalaya. From here, this portion, that is Nepal Himalaya. And when we talk about the length of this region, that is 800 kilometer. This length 800 kilometer. And the area between Black River to Tista River. Last portion, that is Assam Himalaya. This portion, that is called Assam Himalaya. And when we talk about the length of this region, the length of this region is 720 kilometer. 720 kilometer. Once again, I am just repeating. 560 kilometer. This is the length of Punjab Himalaya. After that, Kumayu Himalaya. The length of this area, that is 320. Nepal Himalaya. Length of this area, that is 800 kilometer. Then one more, Assam Himalaya. The length of this area, that is 720 kilometer. Means in overall, the length of this area, from here to here, means overall this portion, this length, that is 2400 kilometer. Okay.